In this video, I'll show you how to apply a theme in Base44 quickly and easily. If you're working on a project and want to change the look and feel with just a few clicks, this is the fastest way to do it. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple Base44 guides. First, open your Base44 project. Once your project is loaded, look at the top left corner of the screen and click the theme icon. This will open the theme options for your project. Next, browse through the available themes and choose the one you want to apply. Take a moment to pick the style that best matches your project's design and overall feel. After you've selected your desired theme, click Send to Chat. This will apply the theme through the chat flow and update your project with the new look. And that's it. You've successfully applied a theme in Base44. It only takes a moment once you know where to click, and now you can quickly customize your project anytime you want. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Base44 tutorials just like this one.